Momos or dumplings, a popular street food. Here is a simple recipe to make delicious Indian-style veg momos. Ingredients. For the filling: 1 cup finely chopped cabbage, 1 cup finely chopped carrots, 1 cup finely chopped onion, half a cup grated paneer, a quarter cup chopped cilantro, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 tablespoon ginger paste, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon red chili powder, salt to taste, 2 tablespoons lemon juice. For the dough: 2 cups all-purpose flour, half a cup warm water, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon oil. Instructions. To make the filling: heat oil in a pan. Add garlic, ginger and sauté until fragrant. Add onion, cabbage, carrots and cook until tender. Add paneer, cumin, coriander, turmeric powder, salt and lemon juice. Mix well. Stir in chopped cilantro. To make the dough: mix flour, salt and oil. Gradually add warm water, kneading until a smooth dough forms. Divide dough into small balls. Roll out each ball into a thin circle. Place 1 tablespoon of filling in the center. Fold and press edges to seal. Steam momos for 10 to 15 minutes or until cooked through. Optional cooking methods: pan fry, heat oil, add momos and cook until golden. Air fry, cook at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius for 5 to 7 minutes. Microwave, cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Dipping sauce ideas: chutney, tomato and chili, tamarind chutney, green chutney, mint and cilantro, red chili chutney. Tips and variations: add other veggies like bell peppers, zucchini or spinach. Use different seasonings like garam masala or amchur powder. Regional variations: Kolkata-style momos, add mustard oil and Bengali spices. Delhi-style momos, add chaat masala and lemon juice. Mumbai-style momos, add pav bhaji masala. Here is an approximate breakdown. Steamed momos. Vegetable momos 50 to 70 calories per piece. Chicken momos 70 to 100 calories per piece. Beef or lamb momos 100 to 120 calories per piece. Pan-fried momos. Vegetable momos 100 to 140 calories per piece. Chicken momos 140 to 180 calories per piece. Beef or lamb momos 180 to 220 calories per piece. Air-fried momos. Vegetable momos 70 to 100 calories per piece. Chicken momos 100 to 140 calories per piece. Beef or lamb momos 140 to 180 calories per piece. Deep-fried momos. Vegetable momos 150 to 200 calories per piece. Chicken momos 200 to 250 calories per piece. Beef or lamb momos 250 to 300 calories per piece. Additional calories from dipping sauces: chutney or hot sauce 50 to 100 calories per serving. Soy sauce or tamari 5 to 10 calories per serving.